mango. Hi guys, how are you? Are you ready to make a mango mojito today? I am. And actually, I'm gonna tell you a funny story about my nap time in midst of a concert, and it was Harry Styles' concert. That was the only time. Yeah. Come with me and we can go and not shake, blend our cocktail. Not blend. Stir our cocktail. Come with me. Mango and lime. And obviously I had my mint out from before. So I need to bring a knife. Here's my knife. Let's start with our story. Yeah, I was telling you earlier that it was back in 2023 that we decided, me and my two friends, to go to a concert. Actually, it wasn't that easy to get the ticket. It was Harry Styles' concert at Wembley Stadium. I think the tour name was Love on Tour or something like that. So I remember from days before, me and one of my friends, we were queuing up trying to secure a ticket. But yeah, we weren't lucky the first time, but the second time we actually did get a ticket. You need half a lime juice, a bit of sugar. We'll add a bit of mango as well first, because we're gonna model just a couple of pieces. Would you? Yeah, we decided to go to that concert. Anyway, long story short, we secured some tickets and it was the day of the concert. I was so excited. It was like any other concert. I was trying to memorize the lyrics to some of the songs that I wasn't quite familiar with, because like I knew him like when he was in One Direction. And I remember like I bought the original CD back then to listen to the music. I don't know what happened to that CD. I lost it. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I was a fan back then. I knew most of the songs because like they're quite catchy and I really wanted to go there and there was a hype around it. Anyway, we find a ticket. It was the day of the concert. I remember I was working from home that day because I was trying to finish off earlier. The concert was on I think it was on a Tuesday. I don't know, maybe a Thursday, but it was midweek. I got ready. I got my pink makeup on. I was like cream and pink-ish, and I remember we bought one of those feathery things that you put around your neck. I don't know what they're called. So we went there. The concert started. It was so good. Like everything was going well, and on the day I actually had loads of water. Like you add your chunks of mango and start modeling. It was quite hot that day. So I was happy. We had some food, drinks, and yeah, the concert started. Everything was good. I don't know, it was the third or fourth song that suddenly my body decided to take a nap. And I remember like the sound started fading slowly in the background, and I told my friend that, yeah, I think I'm gonna pass out now. And like, I don't remember, like a couple seconds later, I didn't see anything, like it was all black. I could hear some mumbling. And then I remember those security guards come and took me to a back room, and a medic was there trying to say like, are you okay? Can you hear me? After I had a bit of a water and like sat down in a quiet place, I was better. But yeah, it was a funny thing. Like at that time, I wasn't happy about what happened. My friend was quite obsessed with Harry Styles and One Direction, and I felt bad that I kind of... And then I was escorted to an area just behind the sitting area that I could stand and nobody was next to me. It was quite a nice experience, but I don't know why that happened to me at 6 a.m. Oliver. And from then on, every time that I want to go to a concert, I'm so freaky. I'm like, what if I pass out? What if I pass out? What if I pass out? Because I don't want that happen again. Maybe it's a crowd thingy. Because like first thing when I was up, the lady was, are you okay with the crowd? Because like some people can't handle it. I was like, this isn't my first concert. So I've been to this type of crowd. I've been to the football stadiums. I don't know what happened that day, to be fair. Anyway, I need to go and bring some ice. Come, let's take our ice out. And actually, I should have told the story while I was making something about watermelon. At least I could have sang watermelon sugar high, because I can't remember anything related to a mango or mojito and Harry Styles. They're both sweet. Maybe that. So come on. And yeah, I've got my mix ready. Pour your ice in. I lost 2. And you'll just top it off with some sparkling water. Woo-hoo. This is our mojito, mango mojito, and give it one last stir. And you can garnish it with some mint. Don't drown on me. Don't let go. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Ta-da! Here's our mango mojito. And my garnish is already gone. Cheers! Add some mango bits as well. Delicious. It's summery, fresh, citrusy. It's a mojito, but a tad sweeter because of the mango and tartar. It's quite delicious. I like this one. And back to our story. Actually, I missed meeting him when I was out with a friend. They saw him in Oxford Street. It was quite a fun concert. I can't post any videos of it. It didn't happen after that. Like that was the only time. Yeah, I had a half a faint at Dua Lipa's concert, but like that was this year. So let's not talk about that one. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching the video. We're the Tipsy duo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with more cocktails. Bye for now.